Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Just Stuff. I'm going to make a sandwich that I actually like to eat. First thing that's going on is my Parmesan Caesar salad dressing. Believe it or not, I found this at Dollar Tree, and I really like it. Ooh, not that much. But all's not lost. There's 2 slices of bread, 2 buns. Spread that evenly. Not even know, a little dash more. Alright. The next thing that goes on to my little sandwich here. Gotta do it this way. Turn around. Just a few slices of tomato. Okay. Into that, I want some pepper, some salt, and olives. I love green olives, y'all. I love them on pizza. I love it on sandwiches, salads. I just like green olives. Now you can buy olive loaf, but you ever notice when you get olive loaf, the last couple of slices are the only ones that really have olives in it, so whoever gets the last slice gets the best. Alright, to that I'm going to add some onion. Come on, you're not making a Picasso here, you're making a sandwich. Okay. Now, I'm going to put my turkey ham here. Pulling the Subway, you know how Subway always folds their meat in half to make it seem like you're getting more than you are. But I actually happen to like my lunch meat like this on my sandwiches. Alright. Fold another one like that. And the last one goes on hold. Well, it would have went on hold if I wouldn't have cleaned it up. Okay, I have one more thing, but I forgot to get it. Hold on, y'all. So the final item that goes on to this sandwich will be a slice of good old American cheese. You know that toxic stuff that's supposed to kill everybody? Well, I'm going to die happy if I do die. But that is my favorite sandwich. I use turkey ham most of the time, or turkey, whatever. And this Parmesan Caesar dressing, which I really, really like. That's all there is to it. Well, that didn't go well. Now I get to wash the lid of that lid. Okay. This is Just Stuff with a little sandwich. Oh, and spoiler, I made this. It's supposed to be a household cleaner. I'm going to let it set for a while, and I'll come back and do a video on it and tell y'all how well it works or it doesn't work, one way or the other. But this is Just Stuff. Thank you for watching my videos. I really do appreciate my viewers. I appreciate my subscribers. I love the comments. So if you would, please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank y'all, and y'all have a great day.